Hello everyone, I'm Stefanos Christodoulakis and I'd like to welcome you to Umbrella's Service Request Management module. Service Request Management is part of Umbrella's Manage Risk and Control stack, Surface, and with this short video I will walk you through its basic functionalities. The module consists of three different sections, each with its own dedicated menu item: the Overview, Service Requests, and Project Activation. Let's start with the Overview section since selected by default upon entering the module. Overview is comprised by two panels, the Task and the Dashboards. In the Tasks panel, users can see and manage their tasks. All tasks assigned to the user can be found by selecting My Tasks. Here, users have the following options: Reset Assignee, only possible if the user has a support administrator role, which will remove the user from the task. Delegate Task, which will provide read and write access to the new assignee without transferring the ownership of the task. And lastly, Edit Task, where priority, due date, and description can be modified. Unassigned tasks can be found by selecting Group Tasks. Tasks displayed here are available to all users until one of them claims it by selecting the Get Task button, or until a user with Support Administrator role assigns it to someone else using the Set Assignee button next to it. Lastly, All Tasks is only available to users with a Support Administrator role, who can either edit the details of a task or assign it to a new user. Clicking the username on the top right corner provides access to the account details page. The account details page contains AWS personal information along with the apps the user has access to and the roles assigned to him which define his permissions. It's important to note that all SRM users are assigned one of the two roles available: the Support Administrator role I just mentioned that provides access to all requests of the assigned corporation, and the Support role that allows the user to see all requests created by them, all public requests, or all requests that they've been assigned to. On the Dashboards panel, users see service request related statistics, the total number of requests per state, open or closed, requests per priority, and open service requests per category and priority. The results can be filtered by date using the register after or register during last options. The second menu section, Service Requests, lists all service requests and also has two subsections for convenience: Open and Closed. This menu comes with a search functionality and filtering capabilities. On the top right side of the list, the user can also export data in Excel format, post-filtering, clear filters, customize columns, and refresh the table's contents. To create a new service request, users must be inside the service request section and click on the New Service Request button on the top right side of the service requests list. This action will direct the user to Add Service Request page, where users must set title, description, define the ticket as private or public, priority, project, and category. Please note that details regarding the ticket categories can be obtained from the Service Request Management User Guide. The service request is created as soon as it is saved, and its status is set to new. Note that the status of a service request can only be changed by Umbrella. Existing service requests can be accessed either from the Overview or the Service Request section. Inside the service request, two sections are visible in the bottom of the page: Comments and Attachments. Through comments, the user can communicate with Umbrella's personnel as displayed in the form of a chat, and Attachments is used to share files. Notice that comments can be edited only from the user that posted them. The third and final section, Project Activation, works like the previous section but displays all tickets created by Umbrella that reflect the onboarding process of a customer as part of the contract agreement. Users cannot create a service request of this category. If Umbrella needs information related to a step of the onboarding process of a customer, a task will be created and then appear to the group tasks. And with this guide has come to an end. Thank you for watching.